Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about empty set, finite set, and infinite set, so let's get started. First, we have the empty set. What is an empty set? Well, it is a set that contains no elements. It has no members. The empty set is denoted by the symbol G or the set with two bars like this. For example, the set of even numbers between 1 and 5 can be written as 2, for which means that the set contains the numbers 2 and 4 only. But what if there are no even numbers between 1 and 5? Well, then we would say that the set is empty. In this case, we can write the set as our G. Note that the empty set does not contain any elements, so it has no order. So, for example, this is not an element of the empty set, and neither is this. Also note that the empty set only has one subset, which is itself. Next, we have a finite set. What is a finite set? Well, it is a set that contains a finite number of elements. That means it has a limited or countable number of elements. For example, the set of natural numbers between 1 and 5 is a finite set because it has a limited number of elements. We can list out all the elements in the set in the following way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, the set has 5 elements. Also note that every subset of a finite set is also finite. For example, the subset of natural numbers between 1 and 3 is 1, 2, 3, which is also a finite set. Furthermore, the number of subsets of a finite set can be calculated by the following formula: 2 to the power n, where n is the number of elements in the set. For example, for the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will calculate the number of subsets as 2 to the power 5, which equals 32. So the total number of subsets for this set is 32. Finally, we have an infinite set. What is an infinite set? Well, it is a set that contains an infinite number of elements. That means it has an unlimited or uncountable number of elements. For example, the set of natural numbers starting from 1 and going to infinity is an infinite set. We can write the set as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note that the set continues indefinitely. Also note that every subset of an infinite set is also infinite. For example, the set of even natural numbers starting from and going to infinity is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which is also an infinite set. Furthermore, the number of subsets of an infinite set is also infinite. Here's a summary of what we've learned. The empty set is a set that contains no elements. It is denoted by the symbol G or the set with two bars. The empty set has no order, and it has only one subset, which is itself. A finite set is a set that contains a finite or countable number of elements. For example, the set of natural numbers between 1 and 5 is a finite set. An infinite set is a set that contains an infinite or uncountable number of elements. For example, the set of natural numbers starting from 1 and going to infinity is an infinite set. So these are some of the basic properties of sets. There are other types of sets like countable and uncountable sets, but that is a topic for another video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.